The Oklahoma City Council votes to hire a legal firm to represent the officer who was involved in a use of force incident with a 71-year-old man. Fox 25's Paige Taylor joins us live with the discussion, their decision, and I know there was some heated debate over this. Paige.
Well, that's right, Wendy. Before the city council voted, there was lots of discussion about what would happen if the council voted no. Last October, Oklahoma City police officer Sergeant Joseph Gibson took 71-year-old Lich Vu to the ground following a non-injury accident Vu was involved in that Gibson responded to. The use of force resulted in severe injuries for Vu.
Lich Vu is actually on hospice right now. He's really immobile. He hasn't been able to walk ever since the incident, and let alone he's not able to eat much or talk much.
Oklahoma Attorney General Getner Drummond dismissed the charge against Gibson in December. He resigned from OKC PD in March of this year. Vu filed a federal lawsuit in April suing Gibson, the city of Oklahoma City, and Drummond over excessive force and infliction of mental anguish and emotional distress. Before the Oklahoma City Council on Tuesday was the decision to hire a defense litigation firm to represent Gibson. There was discussion from council members regarding the two reasons why the city is required to cover defense, a bargaining agreement with the FOP, and a state law.
If we vote not to represent him, then we're sued, and we have to shell out more money and more expenses, potentially through not just the collective bargaining agreement, but the state aspect of it. And then we're going to have to pay for representation anyway when we're ordered to do so. So now we're expending more of the citizens' money.
Yes.
Or we vote to do this, and then the legal process will find whether this officer was doing his job or not.
Correct.
Okay.
Ward 7 Councilman Kamal Pennington saying he is adamantly opposed to what happened, but there must be due process.
I think it's wrong. I'm all for changing our public policy so that we don't have instances like that and for the victim getting justice. But if the question before us is whether or not this former employer of ours gets their due process, I've got to stick to everybody getting fair and due process.
Toon Nguyen spoke during public comment asking the council to vote no, but he tells Fox 25 he knew that would be a long shot due to the policies in place.
I knew it was going to be hard, but I wanted to try to get our point across. I think that it's better to be able to go out and just express what we have on our minds and let them know. And it should be something that they should think about further and more discussions.
2 city council members voted no, making it a 7-2 vote. Reporting live at City Hall, Paige Taylor, Fox 25 News.